All right, so as most women do, we tend to change the way we wear our hair, natural or processed, short or long, black or varying shades. You get the drift, right? But do men approach women differently based on their hair? Let's watch this podcast clip from tonight's conversations.
Even the men that I attract are different.
I agree.
They're different. Like, I don't get the, hey, yo, mom, I don't get that.
That happens.
Beautiful queen, how was your morning? I get,
So you get a different type of bullshit.
yeah, basically. Good morning, queen. The grand risings. Like
No, but why do you
grand rising?
Can we talk about it? Why do you get a different response? And do you believe that this has something to do with, like you said, natural versus not natural? I
feel like,
long hair down 40 inches
like
compared to not.
Even to kind of piggyback off her when you said the social media thing, just that
Yeah.
the overall how people view like, oh, the girl that has the implants, the long Brazilian hair, she wants the man that's pulling up in the Rolls Royce or whatever. The girl that's natural, they look at it as, oh, she's okay with who I am.
She's down to earth.
She's down to earth.
She's simple,
cool.
not knowing that a lot of the natural girls is way more bougie.
Hey, Ma. Very interesting. Joining us to share on this hair twisting topic is owner of Just Natural Hair Studio, Trudy Greenland. Trudy?
Yes, ma'am.
What a piece of conversation. Morning, eh? Good morning. What a way to start the morning.
I'm telling you,
Right?
with my hairstyle so hot in the
With your
morning.
hairstyle
Trudy,
so
the
hot.
hairstyle
Look
look
good.
Her natural
Empress,
hairstyle.
grand rising to you.
Thank
You
you.
know what I mean?
No,
Trudy,
it's natural.
you know, have any of your clients ever spoken about, you know, the fact that they've gotten a different kind of reception because they're donning their
Good
natural
reception.
hair? Yeah, good reception. Okay.
We have had many of our clients, female, can't walk in a piece because, of course, whether it's fully natural, whether it's locked or free natural, empress, queen.
Yeah.
Sometimes if they come and put, let's say, 4 locks in just for temporary use, they forget because all these men calling them empress and queen. I wonder why they call them that. They forget that they have these nice long braids or 4 locks in.
Yeah.
So I've never had anything negative.
Okay.
It's so interesting because when we watched the clip a while ago, she said he's not gonna just say, "Hey, ma." So you're not gonna get a type of response like,
No.
"Baby, wagwan."
No.
You know what I mean? You're not gonna get that kind of rough and rugged approach. You're gonna get something a little more subtle.
Yes.
Not subtle, but it's more. It's almost like a celebration.
Yeah.
you know,
Queen, it's
it's a
empress.
reverence.
You know,
Yeah.
Why do you
Yeah.
think this happens though?
Because I think for most men, even though perhaps their female would have natural hair under a wig or, let's say, braids, they still want that strong, ethnic-looking kind of woman. that
Authentic.
shows- yeah, we're
Real.
regal.
Yeah.
We stand in our space, our center, and we're okay with just our hair being as it is, natural.
Okay, and owning that,
Very much
owning
so.
that loudly
Very
and
much
proudly.
So, very much so.
Yeah.
I've said it just now. I've never had my hair processed in my life, and I've never had an issue with.
You've always been donning your natural
I've
hair.
always, all my life.
Love that. Let's talk about the fact that, you know, for some people, the idea of kinky hair versus straight hair and, you know, wanting to basically release yourself of your kink.
I should tell you, in the pandemic, we had more females coming to us with the kink because they have released themselves from
The straight.
hair. There was no salon opened. I mean, we, dabble, but we had more females embracing their natural hair. Oh, wow, I've never seen my hair. I've never seen my hair for so much years now. I'm not able to go to the salon and my hair is this length. What can I do with it? We have had that kind of an embrace since this pandemic, and we're grateful.
Do you think, though, that women style their hair more so for themselves or for men, or is it a balance?
Well,
is it a personal preference?
I think it's a personal preference.
Okay.
I think when we get up and we look at ourselves in the mirror and we said, okay, yeah, we look good. If somebody wants to say, you look beautiful today, I'll say thank you so much.
Okay.
But I think it's for me. That's my stance.
Yeah. In the boardroom, women in the boardroom, do you find from your experience with your clients, really, that they get a different or a varied response, or because they have natural hair versus let's say straight
I think they get
hair
the response from if they are the leader of the group, they would get a better response if they're not the leader of the group. I've never heard any of my well-established clients say that they have a problem going into work. Maybe colors, they can't wear too much colors.
Yeah.
Because, you still have to represent. But yeah.
Yeah, but they still hold them in high value and high standard.
They do.
We got some comments from social media on Instagram that's Coquette Rochelle said, most definitely I've been both in my adult years and the attention and the audience are evidently different. While being natural, I was often assumed to be a younger age, a churchgoer. The relaxed hair had an evidently a larger male audience, but the natural hair had more profound and meaningful compliments and attention. We're just talking about the meaningful compliments.
Yeah, man.
you know?
Respect.
Yeah.
Put some respect
Empress
on the
and
greeting.
Queen versus a baby. You get what I'm saying? I see at Mrs._Marge says, I don't think it's just hair that attracts. There are so many reasons for attraction. Also, depends on the person's intentions, which is true. I am not my hair, and I'm not just my hair.
It's good saying that, Tal. But the truth is that we like to see groomed hair.
Of course.
Usually, people ask for groomed hair a lot, and you have some people, and I also believe that you should wear your hair how you feel to wear it, as long as you're clean.
Yeah.
But if you know what I mean,
Yeah.
it's your decision how you wish to actually carry your hair. But do you believe though that it's a prejudice?
Once upon a time.
Okay, not anymore.
No.
But
Okay.
even based on the comment that we just read where she said, guess what? When I had my natural hair, I looked a little bit younger. They thought I was a quote-unquote church goer.
Yes.
But then with my permed hair, straight hair, I get a totally different response.
But I do think it's how you wear that hair.
Okay.
How do you wear that natural hair? Am I looking for a church look or am I looking for something regal, classy, sassy,
Okay.
edgy? Because there's so much to it. The dynamics of how we style our hair, whether it's natural, whether it's locks, it's not one-dimensional at all.
Me love my hair. I love natural hair.
Yeah.
I've
Me love your
never
hair.
wore processed hair in my life.
I love
And
it
you
though.
have managed to creatively style your hair in so many ways.
And we have managed to also creatively style all our female clients, and we have
Male
a lot
clients
of
as well,
male
right?
clients as well.
Yeah.
I think we have another comment.
Right,
D
so the
_Wasabi.
Wasabi says, yes, natural hair is always greeted with Empress or Natural Queen, while cream or false hair get Dolly, Bobby, babes. Oh, God. Okay, Trishana Fender says, I'm not sure naturalistas are approached differently than women with non-natural hair. I do know that when my hair is natural, I get more compliments from men as opposed to when my hair is not natural. Yes, so see there?
It's true. It
Yeah,
is
possibly just probably goes down to styling and probably even what fits you.
Yeah.
You know, what fits you.
what fits you,
Yeah.
what works for you, and of course we have to dress it up.
Yeah.
We have to dress it up. If we're wearing a church hairstyle, then
Quote unquote church. Go
might
then put
have
it
to
there.
wear a
What
church
that look
dress.
like? What that
Yeah.
look like? As a church hairstyle, what that look
I've gone
like?
to church with my hair like this.
And
Exactly,
it's fine.
and it's fine,
And you can go
right?
to church with the hair like this, or then
And
you
it's
can go to
perfectly
church like
fine.
I
that.
go everywhere with my hair like this.
Yeah.
it's my hair 100%.
I have to ask you though, what word of advice would you give to women about their hair, natural or even not natural, whether it's about, their hairstyle or choice or how, they would feel about their hair overall? What advice would you share with them?
Stand in what you believe.
Yeah.
Okay.
Stand in what you believe. Stand in how you see yourself. Stand in the fact that natural is for me. And that's how I want to wear it. And if you're coming into my space, coming in natural.
That's right.
Women in natural. Anything to the men though?
Love that.
Anything to the men?
They should embrace us just the same.
Embrace us. All right, we're going to leave it there. Thank you so much for joining us this morning.
Trudy, thank
Trudy,
you.
yes.
Just
the Hair
natural.
Talk continues after this break. Don't go anywhere.